Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Edge 30, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's first launch the settings application, and after that tap on the network and internet section. Then click here to the internet and tap on the switcher to activate the Wi-Fi. After that you will see here all the available networks which we can connect. For example, we can use this network. Here you should enter your password. If you want to see the password, just click here on the show password checkbox, for example, to have no some mistakes here. And now I'll just enter the password out of screen. After that you should click here to connect, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. Okay, let's just wait a couple of seconds. Cloud not connected to network. Okay, so let's once again. Okay, so now our device connected to this network. If you want to use, you can select another one just by the same way. Click here, connect, enter the passwords, tap to connect, and after that you'll have to save the passwords, and then you can switch between them. If you want just to turn out the Wi-Fi, you should click here only once on the switcher, and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first open the notification panel, and here you will see the internet section. Just click here once to activate the Wi-Fi. Tap on the switcher. You'll see the same just available networks. You can click here to see all, and you'll launch the same network settings. And by the same way, just select network, enter the password, and tap to connect. If you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, click here on this icon, tap to the switcher to turn it off, and click to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.